Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channels. It's Belmont here. And for this week, I'm in my local Lowe's here in Monaca PA. And I gotta say, it's a sad day for tool goers and lock pickers when you see nothing but wall-to-wall master locks. Not that I'm hating on master lock, it's just, honestly gotta say, some of these prices here, for given that how cheap many people consider master lock, someone is definitely screwing the pooch. Now, as I passed in trying to find duct knives here at Lowe's, I was given 3 different aisles. So definitely a sad day for consumerism and store intelligence for its workers. Just take a look at these prices here. You'd expect to naturally see the combination locks, but wow. And for the basic black is under $8, but the colored ones are almost 10. Naturally, you got the password combos and everything else along the way. Anyone who's got any of these heavy duty ones and they see a 4-pack, you're not expecting to see a $70 price tag. But for the life of me, I haven't seen a single warded lock on this shelf. Am I looking in the wrong place? Someone help Belmont out here. The basic Master Lock 140. With its standard brass keys and a security level of 4 out of 10. So does that mean it takes 40 seconds for it to be unlocked or 4 seconds for it to be bypassed? Little Master Lock humor. Very little, right? Master Lock number 3. Security level of 5. For under $10. Who has actually bought Master Lock lately? And not that I'm in general asking my viewers and also to my followers on TikTok, I'd request that, one, I appreciate that you want to message me and then immediately ask me where I'm from when the majority of you are too lazy to actually look at my location on some of my videos or actually listen. This is the part where paying attention will actually come in handy for some of you. Otherwise, I'm just going to simply ignore your messages and delete. Another little interesting Master Lock 141 with a level 4. The cable locks are fun looking. And looking at the dust on this one down here, I'd say it's been years since someone even picked it up. Level 8 double set for $25. And this is a number 5. So most times it took me about 50 seconds to a minute to rake it open. And yet it's rated, oh, I'm sorry, It's rated a level 8. Anyone here is welcome to give a ha-ha or a LOL regarding master locks. Oh, and look. Here's TSA ones rather than the Brinks with the TSA 007 and a 4-pack for $16, almost $17. I gotta say, I'm still roughly disappointed. Here's a bigger one. This is a TSA one. It's rated level 2. And what a surprise. It's a 007. Help me out here, YouTube. Give your comments. I'd love to hear them. I really don't want to go back down the aisle for the other locks because I see a lot of Kwikset and brand new boxes looking like they're trying to jump off a shelf. So that'll do it for this week. Hope you all enjoy. Be safe. Have a good weekend. As always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.